Here I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel. Here you can choose your desired language. In my case, let me choose English, for instance, from United States. Tap continue. Let's choose your region. So in my case, it could be also the United States. Tap continue. Let's tap agree to the following terms and conditions. Now you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step because you can do more with your internet access. So let me connect my phone to my Wi-Fi. The device is obtaining the IP address and the device is connected. Tap next. The phone is checking info, let's wait a few seconds. So now you can add the Google account. It's not necessary, but the Google account enables a couple of useful features. So let me connect my phone to Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account or use the existing one. In my case, let me use the existing one. Let me input my email. Alright, choose next. Let me enter the password. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose next one more time right here. Let's tap accept right here. And here you've got the Google features that you can enable or disable. For example, backup to Google Drive, help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, and send system data. In my case, let me leave enabled all of them. Tap next. Here you have to decide either you would like to keep your apps and data by restoring them from some copy, or you can set up your phone as a new and have a fresh start. So in my case, let me have a fresh start. Here you can have some benefits by logging into this account. In my case, let me choose skip again. Here you can also enroll the fingerprint, or you can do it later in settings. So let me do it later. Tap skip right here. Here you've got the information about the second display. Tap next, choose get started. Let me skip the following list of applications that you can download, and that's it. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.